Hey everyone, it's a Saturday, it's almost 5, I'm a bit peckish. And I've been eating out so much that I don't really fancy ordering in or going out to get something. So I'm going to try something homemade. So I looked into my fridge and there's not much there. So I'm going to try and make something with whatever's in my fridge right now. Okay? Let's hope it comes out nice. So I looked into my fridge and I found these breakfast, old English pork sausages. Well, I don't really fancy sausages, but sausages. Got an onion, get some tomatoes, but I'm not going to use them. I don't feel like tomatoes. A couple of green chilies. Bit of tandoori paste, the Sham's tandoori paste. This is quite nice for marination. You can actually cook with them as well. Right, a bit of yogurt, or yogurt if you want it. Yogurt, ginger garlic paste, a fat to cook with. I like ghee. It's better for high temperature cooking. Less carcinogens. There we go. And salt to flavor. Alright. Let's see what we can come up with this, yeah? So we're gonna give these onions a quick chop. Slice them up finely so they cook faster. Done. These, just get rid of the head. I want a little kick to it, but not too much. In threes. Done. And now me sausages. I could leave them whole, but I'm gonna cut these babies up into little spoon-sized pieces. Uno, dos, tres. That's got a lot of meat. It's good enough for a nice meal by itself. Okay, done. That's the prep. Everything else is ready. Don't you like my fridge with a nice pink star on it? It's not my fridge. I got it with the house. A fire that we flame up. There we go. Big wok. The water on it, get rid of that. On the flame. Let's go high heat. Chinese style cooking. It's all high heat, and I like that smoky flavor. So, pan's nice and hot. Let's see, it's quite a lot of meat over there. So we'll give a nice dollop of ghee, a nice teaspoonful inside. Just prefer to cook with ghee because of its, like I said, the higher burning point, so it's perfect for high temperature cooking. I mean, feel free to use other oil as well. Righty, let the ghee heat up nicely. I'll stick my onions in there. My chopped chilies. These are Indian green chilies. Some of them are quite hot, some of them are not. Hot or not. My ginger garlic paste. Alright, you could use fresh ginger and garlic into a paste to just chop them up and do this. It's just easy because what's my fridge. And you use like a nice teaspoonful of that as well. and a bit of seasoning with salt. Nice sprinkle, let it dry up, nicely shake. Yeah, just stir fry that for about a couple of minutes, maybe 5. Onions are losing their water a bit, just browning up slightly. I'll caramelize this to bring out the sweetness, which is like so. We don't want to overcook them right now. And tandoori paste. Give it a nice shake. Ooh, this stuff is nice. So, another nice couple of spoonfuls of that. Give it a little bit more. Bring out the taste in that. And in go my sausage bits. Nicely stir to mix these babies up. Ooh, that smells nice. See the color? That's the tandoori paste in action. I want to fry these up a little bit and let them cook a wee bit, a couple of minutes on the highest flame possible. Look at that. See them sizzling and crackling. Sausages take about 10 minutes to cook, so we want to cook them thoroughly. Giving them an occasional stir. Well, that smells really nice. So they're getting a little bit of color from the high heat cooking. That's lovely. What I'm going to do now is I've got some plain yogurt, fresh plain yogurt. Just tone this down a bit. About a teaspoon of yogurt inside. Okay. Give that a nice whirl. Look at that sizzle going, eh? And a drop of water. A bit of water, but it doesn't burn. And the sausage is cooked properly. About cover and cook for 5 more minutes. Remember, it takes about 10 minutes the pork sausages to cook, and then they're good to go. It's been a couple of minutes. I'm gonna come up and check this. Oh yeah, look at that. The water's all evaporated. I can smell the sausages are absolutely cooked to perfection. And it's got that sticky, lovely awesomeness of the tandoori paste. Oh, these are done. Check for salt. Perfect. These babies are done. Look at that. Just look at that. Take it off the heat. Ooh, take it off the heat and serve. Ooh, ooh la la. These spicy pork sausage are absolutely delicious. Step 2 of my meal. I need something to eat these sausages with. So, downstairs in the supermarket, I get these. Just Eat whole wheat chapati. Speaks for itself, doesn't it? So they come out of the packet looking like that, and they go plonk in the fry pan. Eat them for 40 seconds and they're done. That's how easy. I'll show you. See? Just fluff off like that. Give them a twirl. 20 seconds. Flip. Make sure the griddle's hot though, yeah? You can use a tawa. I mean, I'm sure you get ready-made chapatis. Or you could have it with rice. I mean, there you go. Quick flip. Quick flip. Quick flip. And they're ready. We're almost ready. Try this with them warm chapatis or rice, whatever fancies. I'm hungry. I'm going after this. Bye-bye.